K2 cargo aircraft crashed 155 nautical mile from Karachi and the 74 nautical mile from the Armora coastline, holding the Big Jinnah Naval Base operated by Pakistan Navy. The pilot passed the malfunctioning of the navigation system to the traffic controller. After that, the guidance to the aircraft provided, and the only navigation system may become a main reason for the crash. Yes, it will be when it will come into the jamming in valve and divert the direction towards the sensitive and the prohibited areas. And the second main reason, the jamming of the American electronic warfare aircrafts were operating on the airspace of Iran for the large-scale airstrikes on different locations of multiple cities of Islamic Republic of Iran. Maybe it comes in the jamming in valve followed by a missile strike from the US air power. And the situation of the mystery will be opened when the black box of the crashed cargo aircraft will be retrieved.